You have made me brave, brave. You have made me strong, strong. You have made me awesome, wonderful. You have gave me peace, peace. You have gave me joy, joy. You have made my whole world beautiful. You have made it all. Da, 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 da.
Welcome to Values Avenue. It's
At least I'm walking and taking my steps. Yes.
Where can I go from your spirit? Nowhere. Where can I flee from your presence? Nowhere. Where can I go? Where can I flee? Nothing can be hid from God, you see.
Wow, ang galing mo talaga siya. You can really sing well, just like your daddy and mommy.
Salamat po, Lolo Pastor. Is that true?
Ha 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 ha. Siyempre naman, Apo, hindi tama ang magsinungaling. Ayaw ni Lord Jesus yun.
Oh yes, that was our lesson last week about truthfulness. Grabe po ang nangyari kina Ananias at Sapphira.
Yes, in that story, Ananias and Sapphira were punished for choosing to lie. Hindi dahil kailangan ni Lord o ng church that time ang pera nila. Hindi yun. Hindi talaga tama na magsinungaling kasi ang Diyos natin ay banal at alam niya ang lahat-lahat.
Ako naman po, I learned that we should never ever lie. Because, like you said, Lolo, our God knows everything and sees everything.
Eh ano naman ang favorite part mo sa episode last week? For me, yung two songs. Nagduwit pa nga kami ni Sandra sa song na Be Truthful. Nakakatuwa.
My favorite part was the arts and crafts. My favorite craft that they made was the braided belt. Lolo, let's hear from other kids.
Okay.
Bible story. Kasi tinuturuan tayo na huwag magsinungaling at magsabi ng totoo. My favorite part of episode 9, actually I had two. First, I like the song, Where Can I Go From Your Spirit? Because the word says, I cannot hide from God. Second, I like the place that it showed because my family lives in Binangonan, Rizal.
My favorite part in the video is the story about Ananias and Sapphira. They were not willing to give all they had, but they claimed that they did so. God would accept whatever they offered, but lying about it was not acceptable for Him. Their story taught me to always do the right thing, even though it's hard. Because in the end, good deeds like truthfulness is what God wanted from us. So starting now, let's live with truthfulness.
Kasi masaya ang Diyos pag nagsasabi tayo ng totoo. I learned that we cannot hide from God like Ananias and Sapphira. They didn't tell the truth to Peter, and Peter got mad because they even not tell the truth. At home, if you tell a lie to your mother or father, if they get angry, you need to say sorry and tell the truth. I learned that I should not lie, especially to God and to other people. Example, when my mother is asking me to do my module and I said, okay, I have to do my module because I already said
and honest is important. This is what I learned from Values Avenue Episode 9, Truthfulness. God sees and knows everything. Even though we try to hide something from Him, He will always know because He is the Lord. We should always be truthful to our neighbors and selves to avoid any feelings to be hurt, cause problems, deeper burdens, and even ruin friendships.
It's time for feedback! Mula po kay Ma'am Teresita. Your labor in the Lord is not in vain. God bless you all and keep up the good work. Glory to God! From Kuya Ruel! Happy 12 years po, CECE! God bless you po! At mula naman po kay Kuya Nathaniel! Thank you very much po sa Lord sa paggamit sa CECE at sa Bible Ninja! Gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo, ipinag-pray ko po talaga na ito ang mapalalunan ko at hindi po yung mga tees or ibang apparel. Malaking tulong po kasi ito sa mga bata kong pinsan at churchmate for Sunday School. May God bless you more po! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat! Praise be to God po!
So kids, although it's not always easy, let's choose to be truthful.
That's right. That's how we honor God. Mag-pray kay Jesus para tulungan kayong piliing gawin ang pagkamatapat o truthfulness.
And yes, Values Avenue is here to teach us and guide us because we believe in
Values education for the next generation.